Independence Day. Let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day, and I would like to speak about Independence Day. Carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love, fly in glory, moments of freedom in shade of joy. 15th August 1947 is an important day for all Indians because India became free forever after 150 years from British Empire and slavery. By lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. This day is celebrated as Independence Day every year as national festival to mark the anniversary of national independence of India. And it's only then we could secure our democratic rights as a citizen of India. From that day, 15th of August has become a very important day in Indian history and is celebrated throughout the country with a feeling of nationalism and full spirit of patriotism. On this day, we also remember and give tribute to all the great personalities and freedom fighters who had played a very important role and sacrificed their lives for bringing independence of India. When India got its independence on 15th August 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India, and our tricolor national flag was unfurled by him at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the very first time. From that day onwards, this day is celebrated every year by the current Prime Minister of India, hoist the national flag and salute by the 21 guns firing, Indian Army parade, march past, national anthem recitation, speech and other cultural activities. On this day of celebration, the national flags are also hoisted in many schools and colleges and organize many types of activities such as cultural events, fancy dress competition, speech, debate and quiz competition, dance, plays and go to view various live performances about the meaning of the day are performed by the teachers and the students to make children realize the importance of this day. Every government building is full of decoration with lights of three colors, orange, green and white, because these are the colors of our national flag. Every individual has to be present to hoist the national flag of our country and sing our national anthem. In offices and societies, celebrate this day by organizing various small and big events. On this day, each and every Indian celebrate his or her freedom in their own way, such as decorating their places of celebration, raising national flag, watching favorite movies having patriotic theme, dancing in the streets, singing national anthem or patriotic songs, and by participating in many social activities organized at public places. We should feel proud to be an Indian. It's not only a celebration of independence but also the unity in diversity of the country, and when we forget all our cultural differences and unite as one true Indian. So people of our country celebrate 15th of August as Independence Day with great enthusiasm, joy and happiness. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Friends, if you like the information from this video, please like, share and comment to my video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my new videos on your mobile. Thank you.